guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Wonder Boy. So to start up this stretch, we're going to be doing 5 forward kicks, which if you're a beginner, you move on to the beginner side or the advanced. Now we're going to a downward dog position. We'll do 5 backward kicks. So this is just to release your hip bone so that you'll be able to kick up into a leg hold.
I know that's right.
So now we're going to a one leg pike stretch, which will stretch our leg forward and we'll try relaxing on it like a pike stretch. Then this is just to free your hip and thigh. Then I urge you to also repeat that on the other leg to make it even so that you will stretch at both sides to make it easy to do a leg. Now we're going to a normal pike stretch, which you can try the normal advanced way, or you try a deeper stretch, which is at the right hand side, or you go for the beginner stretch to stretch out your waist. Now you're going to a side lunge to stretch out your downward thighs so that you can be able to go. Then you lift up the back leg to go into a deeper stretch. You're feeling that in your hip. Then after that, you try relaxing with your elbows. If you can't relax in your elbows, you can stand your hand ground on the floor as a beginner, whichever way you want. And then you go into a forward lunge, which is just by stretching your forward legs. Now you're going to dip as a hamstring stretch. You try that out as an advanced or as a beginner. Now you're going to a step as a split. If you don't have a split, I have a video in the link description on how to get a split. Then you go into a forward pike stretch as you're doing the split. You can either try out the beginner one or you can try out the advanced one. Now you repeat that on the other side to make it even.
On my butt, I said I'm glad that you came. If that nigga had a twin, I would let him run a train. Big bag bustin' out the belly.
Now you lay on your back and you try doing some splits on your back. So this is just you going as deep as you can. You can try out the beginner's one or whatever way you feel a stretch. Please, you gotta stop there.
If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up.
Now you repeat that on the other side to make that even.
Look, once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly.
Now you go beside the doorway or you go in front of a wall and you try reaching your leg up as a split. You can either try the beginner one or the intermediate one, and then you hold this for about 10 seconds or more depending on how you can stand it. Then if you want to make your leg hold a great leg hold, you can try the over split. So I'll be making a video soon on how to get the over split, but it's not necessary for you to have the over split to do a leg hold. Another great stretch of you to try out is standing in front of a doorway and trying to reach your leg up into a split. And after that, you can now try going as deep as you can if you want to do either the advanced or the beginner's guide. Note, you can also do this in front of a wall.
Forever popping shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with him cause a nigga love a toxic bitch.
So when attempting the leg hold, all you need to do is to go up into your knees and your chest. Then you try straighten your leg up. Note, it will not be good like this on the first day, but with time and practice you can be able. Then by the right, you can see I'm doing an over split of a leg hold. So you could also try that out when I release my over split video. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that I could upload more video on how to do more contortion.
Audio Jungle.
Thank you.